welcome back to my channel. Today I did this plum inspired look with lots of red tones and purple because it's a plum. I really enjoyed doing this look. This look was a lot of fun. If you want to see how I did this look, just keep watching. Because of the eyebrow slit, I want my brows to be bold. It doesn't quite have the same effect if the brows look too natural. For concealer, I prefer to use a cream concealer, but a liquid concealer works as well. I'm using a bobby pin. As long as it has a straight edge that's really thin, it should work. Other items like a toothpick or tweezers, the really skinny part of the tweezers, should work as well. I think it's really important that you don't get frustrated the first time and to always start off really thin, because you can always add, but it's harder to clean up your brows with more product if you mess up. I don't recommend putting concealer on your natural brow hairs just because it can look messy if you don't actually have an eyebrow slit.
처음엔 다 그래요. 누구나 다 두렵죠. But I'm a Gryffindor girl. 용기 낼게요. For you, cause you're my jewel. I'll be your Clementine. 함께 기차 타고 몽탁 비치로 가요. Just give me yellow, yellow. I'll make you mellow, jello. 즐거울 거예요. Call it magic. 지금 집 근처인데 나올래요? 오늘 날씨가 너무 좋네요.
This reminds me of when I was a sophomore. I was in acting and I had this scene where I got a black eye. So after the scene was over, I went to wash it off, and on the way to the bathroom I scared these seniors because they thought my black eye was real. And this is what reminds me of it. so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you liked me, then follow me on all my socials. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you really like this video, share it with a friend. To see more content like this, just subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends!